So this is the only little English budgie left that does not have a home. Come here. This one is a little bit more shy. Doesn't like the pictures or the videos, but is beautiful. Yes, yes you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Maybe you ought to stay with me, huh? What you think? Ooh, pretty, pretty. Where do you think you're going? Got little doggy stuff over there still in the box, huh? Yeah. Beautiful. I'll do a video on the other two tomorrow, but I wanted to get this little blue fella, or little girl, in a little video tonight. Say thanks for watching. Yeah.